Good evening, dear children. In the last 2 days, we have learned about measurement. First, we learned about the measurement of length. Meter and centimeter are the units helps to measure length. And next, we learned about weight. Kilogram and gram are the units used for measuring weight. Kilogram for large weight and gram for small weight. Okay, today we are going to learn about another measurement, that is capacity. Capacity. C-A-P-A-C-I-T-Y. Capacity. Capacity means how much a container can hold a thing. How much a container can hold a thing. Now look here, two containers. This is a mug and this is a glass. Can you tell me which container can hold more water? Both these containers are filled with water. Which one has more water? Yes, definitely this container holds more water because this is a big container and this glass is a small container. So this holds more water. Means this has more capacity. This mug has more capacity than this small glass. Now look, this is a bottle and this bottle can hold 1 liter water or milk. This is a milk bottle. Now this is filled with water. Its capacity is 1 liter. It can hold 1 liter. 1 liter. Now look, this bottle. This is a small bottle and it can hold 20 ml or milliliter. Milliliter. 20 ml or it can hold 20 ml and it can hold 1 liter. 1 liter. So the biggest capacity is liter and the smallest capacity measured in milliliter. Biggest capacity measured in liter and we can measure small capacity with the unit milliliter. Liter, 1 liter and here 20 milliliter. Liter and milliliter are the units for measuring capacity. Capacity means how much a container can hold a thing, or it's usually is mainly we use for liquid. Capacity we measure for liquid. This is water. Water is a liquid. What's its unit? Liter. 1 liter. And this is milliliter. This bottle holds 20 milliliter. Liter and milliliter. Now listen. Length. What is units? Meter, centimeter. Meter and centimeter. Weight. And its units kilogram, gram. Capacity liter, milliliter. Meter, kilogram and liter for large measurements. For large measurements. Then centimeter, gram and milliliter, it measures small measurements. Okay children, now take out your textbook. Take page number 61. Capacity. Capacity is the amount of liquid a container can hold. Tick the object that can hold the most amount of liquid. Which can hold most amount of liquid? This big bottle can hold most amount of liquid. And from this bowl, or which one has most? This this container is big, so this can hold more water. And here I think this pot is more big, so it can hold more amount of liquid. Next page. Circle the object that has the least capacity. Which one has the least capacity? Yes, this one has the least capacity. Circle. It can hold less amount of water. Which one has the least capacity? This spoon has the least capacity. And from these containers, which one has the least capacity? This bottle has the least capacity. Okay, this much only. Next I will give the notes that I will send through WhatsApp. Okay children, bye. Take care.